Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to repair your mobile phone. The brand is Samsung and the model is Galaxy A30S. What we are going to do, we are going to replace the LCD screen. It would take you about 30 to 45 minutes and the difficulty of the repair is around 5, so somewhere in between. How to support me? Subscribe, buy parts from my links and donate. Thank you. So this is our Samsung A30S. And the screen is totally damaged, we have no picture and we need to replace the screen. At first we will eject the SIM card tray. Then we are going to need a heat gun. I will heat up a little bit, maybe for a minute or two, at around 180 degrees and with a safe distance. Always heat carefully, as the back is made from plastic and you will be fine. Then we are going to need a suction tool, suction cup, to remove the back cover. At first you need to gently pull the back cover out. Once you have this small little gap, you can help yourself with your fingernail or with a plastic tool. Just try to get off the back plastic a little bit from the frame and then just go step by step around so the glue will just stay on the back cover. You can always seek help with a plastic tool or plastic card just to cut a little bit. If you work slowly here, you can be successfully and you can reuse the back adhesive tape, so you won't get to need any glue or something later, as this phone anyway is not waterproof. We are almost done, so just this small little piece here more. There we go, the back cover is detached. Now you need a Phillips screwdriver and you have to unscrew all the screws here around the frame, around the middle frame. Then we'll need to remove this middle frame. You can help yourself again with your fingernails here. Just make a small gap. Then you can use this plastic tool and go around that it makes click, 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 click. You know what I mean? Just to separate the middle frame from the LCD frame. Some couple of centimeters more and there we go. We are almost done here. So just click. Okay, so it's separated. Now I'm going to unscrew this small black screw from the motherboard. Okay, there we go. And then detach disconnect the battery here. Work with plastic here always, don't make any shortcut. So let's disconnect the antenna here. Also work carefully, don't damage the antenna connector. And we're going to detach the main flex cable here. Also work carefully, don't damage the flex cable. Then on the bottom we have the fingerprint reader, so detach the two small screws. Remember, these two screws are shorter than the other ones, so don't replace with other screws, otherwise you can damage the screen. Okay, let's disconnect the fingerprint reader here. Now we heat up a little bit the bottom main board to detach it easier. You can work with a screwdriver or if you don't have experience, better with a plastic tool. Just work gently and slowly. Don't damage it. Now we have also to remove the main board completely with the antenna, and then we need to remove the speaker. You can heat it up a little bit, just not too much, just gently, maybe with 100 degrees or something, just with warm air. and then gently lift it up with a screwdriver here. There you go. So sometimes the other screen doesn't have a vibration unit, so just remove it here. This is the vibration unit. And now we came to a little bit harder part. We need to remove the battery. Just heat it up a little bit, not too much, as it could be dangerous. Make the battery warm and then lift it up with a tool here a little bit. Just make a gap. Then you will need the help of a plastic card or just a plastic tool to go underneath and to remove the base adhesive glue. I will use here a little bit help of some alcohol. You can pour it in just a little bit, not too much. This is pure alcohol, around 98 or 99%. And just work your way around the battery to remove it. Work gently, don't damage the battery. Okay, we already did it. I mean, we separated, we didn't damage it, so it looks nice. Here are just some small bubbles and some leftovers of the adhesive. We need to clean this up, remove the bubbles. This you can do with your fingernails. Just go everywhere, press inside, and then work with your fingernails. Clean it up. We have still some alcohol here on it, so I just wiped it. Okay, so it looks nice, looks even and not damaged. So okay, this is our new screen here. Just remove the plastic protectors here, the plastic foils everywhere. Okay. Remove here also this small plastic, not plastic, this adhesive glue for the bottom mainboard to stick it in. Take the bottom mainboard and put it in place. Now put back the fingerprint reader here. Remember, use just these two short screws which you removed before. Don't mix the screws up, otherwise you can damage the screen. So very easy job here. Just put back also the screw for the main board. Now we put back the big main motherboard, put it in place. It has to be even everywhere. Put back the antenna cable here, just put it in this canal here or this small gap. Connect it carefully. Okay, so now we are going to screw this screw here in the main board, and then I'm using here some double-sided adhesive tape to put back the battery in the frame. Okay, some more. As the battery still needs to be seated correctly in the frame. So put it in place, just directly, gently press the battery inside the frame and connect it to the motherboard. This is our main flex cable, connect it to the upper main board and then to the lower main board. Just be sure it's seated perfectly. Then we connect the battery here. Okay, so just we will put the middle frame back, put it in place, go everywhere, press it gently to the screen. It has to do the click everywhere around the corners and around the frame. Now we will need to take all the screws and put it back in place. So screw, 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 as much as you can. I'm joking, just gently. You are going to put back the backplate, the battery cover. I'm just gently heating it up so the leftovers, the adhesive tape, which is almost not damaged, will stick better. Just put it in place and push it to the frame everywhere around the corners and everywhere where you can. Around and around, just to stick it perfectly. If you did have no luck and the adhesive tape was damaged, you can still use a little bit of your glue. And this is the SIM card tray. We put it back, turn it on, and voila! We have a perfect new phone. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can comment below and I will try to answer them. If you want to donate and support my channel, many thanks. The link is in the video description. Subscribe for more videos. Your CrocFIX.